ओम ब्रह्मानंदं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैवादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवहम। We are taking the 18th stanza of chapter 8. अव्यक्तादव्यक्तयः सर्वः प्रभवन्तः हरागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तदेवाव्यक्त व्यक्त संज्ञके। अव्यक्तात् व्यक्तयः सर्वा प्रभवन्ति अहरागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तत्र एव व्यक्त संज्ञके। It is the description of the origin of the jivas, the living beings, and the massive destruction of all the jivas. Avyaktat, it means form invisible of Brahma's micro body. Avyaktaha, it means all alive, movable or non-movable lives. Sarva, it means total in all. Prabhavanti, it means originate. Aharag, it means in the start of Brahma's day. Ratriagame, it means in the start of the night of Brahma. Tatra, it means that. Ev, it means only. Avyakta Sangyake, it means invisible body of Brahma. Pliyante, it means dissolved. When the day start of Brahmas, by the invisible micro body of Brahmas, all the movable and non-movable living beings originate. When the night comes of Brahma, all the living beings of movable or non-movable, they submerge in the mind of Brahma, in the sankalpa of Brahma. So, Sadguru Satchidananda Paramatma, the master of uncountable galaxies, the only and only the installation of the universes, telling to the Arjuna about the origination and destruction of the jivas. The origination of the jivas comes by the imagination of the Brahma when the Brahma awoke in the morning. And that day of Brahma, as I told in the previous stanza, the 8,064,000,000 years. 8,064,000,000 years. That is the one day of the Brahma, and the same duration the Brahma's night. So this stanza is telling about that when the day start of the Brahma, in the morning of the Brahma, all the living beings, they comes out, because this is all the Maya and this is all creation is only the dream of a Brahma. It only the sankalpa of a Brahma. So if you want to escape the Sankalpa of Brahma, you must do the Sakshi meditation. You must be aware in your existence, day by day practice. The Sadguru Satchidananda Paramatma is telling, if you not do the Atma Sakshatkar, and if you do not know your real existence, then nobody can liberate you, even the Brahma cannot liberate you, because without knowing yourself, without knowing the Atma Sakshatkar, without knowing the Buddhatva, without standing in your real appearance, you cannot separate by the magic or mesmerism of the Brahma's day. And when the Brahma's day complete and the Brahma's night start, all the living beings, they are whether they are moving or non-moving, they submerge in the Brahma's mind. I want to say, my dear friends, if you see in this earth, there is two types of living beings. One is the non-moving, like a tree, like a fungus, like a alga, and other. And second is moving living beings, that is the fishes, amphibians, birds, and mammals and cattle and so on. So my dear friend, the all universes and all the living beings or non-living beings, they are the creation of the Brahma, because they are only creation by the will power of the Brahma. This creation comes by the imagination of the Brahma. This creation comes by the thoughts of Brahma. So the God existence, Lord Shankar says, Uma kahau, मैं अनुभव अपना सत हरि भजन जगत सब सपना. The total universe is like dream, because they are dream of Brahma. So my dear friend, do not disgrace and do not disgrace, because you can get a very precious human life. The human life is the door of enlightenment. You can come out from the Brahma's Sankalpa. You can come out from the Brahma's dream. You can liberate yourself. Why? Because you are not Jiva. In heart, in the separate stage of the Jiva, there is your existence is present. That existence is Satchidananda Paramatma. The Satchidananda Paramatma is your existence. Satchidananda Paramatma is your pure form, and nobody can caught the Satchidananda Paramatma in any cage, in any cave, in any net, or in any foundation. So please awoke and aware in your real form. For the awaking and awareing the real form, you should be do the meditation of awareness. And when you do the meditation of awareness, the gradually you will become pure and pure soul. And when you become that purest soul, the enlightenment will be occur. Enlightenment will be occur. So my dear friends, be careful in the Maya and try to understand that all the dark and all the illusion and all your limitations and all your weakness and all your unknowing, that is not yours, but that is comes from the dream of Brahma. So you are not a doer, you are not a taker, you are only the Sakshi Satchidananda Paramatma. If you want to alive in this, this chapter, this stanza is giving you the inspiration, giving you the teaching, giving you the courage and giving you the strength to jump out from this Brahma's illusion, to jump out from this Brahma's mesmerism. If you will not jump out, in this Brahma's illusion that you will be take the biggest pains and sorrows continuously 8 billion 64 million years every day of Brahma, and it will be repeat again and again in the 6 or 700 times, and that then you are not sure that you will liberate, because when a Brahma die, he will give the charge to another Brahma, and you will be caught in another Brahma's dream. So my dear friends, come out from the dream of the Maya and get the liberation, get the ultimate achievement of enlightenment. Thank you very much, my dear. I love you, I inspire you, I will help you, I will teach you, I will bless you. You come to me, and we are putting this discourse on the YouTube. Please subscribe this videos and spread this real and true knowledge all over the world, because I am telling exact thing. I am not mixing any wrong thing in my discourse, as I know, as I exposing, as I knowing, as I telling. Thank you very much. Thank you.